Morning everyone, I am Kate Dayan Galopo. So, our topic for today is the public-private partnership or the PPP. So, the PPP, it is a broadly defined as a commercial transaction between an institution and a private party in terms of which the private party either performs an institutional function on behalf of the institution for a specified or indefinite period. Itong PPP, nag-offer sila ng options for appropriate partnerships, bringing together governments, development partners, civil society, and the private business sector to increase the use of ICT in education. So, one of the example of this PPP for ICT, for education, must support classroom practice for better learning outcomes and be accomplished by new teaching styles. This requires a shift towards interactive, project-based, and self-directed learning. So, kailangan ng mayroon tayong collaboration, ang public and the private partnership para ma-ensure na ang ICT ma-enhance ang educational outcomes para sa mag-benefit yung mga beneficiaries. Okay, so next is the benefits and risk of public-private partnership. So ang benefits nito is the ability of the governments to use PPP to introduce private sector technology and innovation in providing better public services. So, gaya na nga ng sinabi ko kanina, kailangan ng collaboration and the agreement between the public and the private partnership para sa ma-improve pa yung or ma-develop pa ang ICT for education. So, ang risk naman dito sa PPP is they also carry significant risk. These include significantly higher costs because the development, bidding, and the ongoing costs of PPP projects are greater than for traditional government procurement processes. So, syempre, isa na sa risk dito yung mga funds na kailangan para sa project. Okay, so the next reporter will discuss how this PPP works.
So, my name is Michelle Morano and I'm going to discuss how public and private partnership work. So, first we're going to know what is public and private partnership. So, it is a collaboration or agreement between the government and the private sector or private agency. So, if the government can afford to buy a high quality of technology or services, they are allowed to or they can partner to private sector or agency. So, example of private agency is the bank like BDO and other bank. So, they can as a help to the private sector to buy a high technology and services. So, while the public sector naman is they are the one who will manufacture or monitor the agreement between the government and the private sector. So, that's all. I hope you learn how private and public partnership work.